Okay, it's part 284, C3M, 1B7, C8E, 13C9, C6D, 3P, 34E. This is line 22, F1, FA, 19C3M, 1B7, C8E, 13C9, C6D, 3P, 34E. Pulse wave properties, velocity formula, 5G well study. There's the alien radio signal, and this is the wave velocity formula for warp speeds for a UFO spaceship from the WOW data. January 26, 2013. Today is February the 11th. The keyword is BET, Bronner, Emmett Taylor to keyword Arrhenius law from the previous video, line 22, F1, FA, 19C3M, 1B7, C8E, 13C9, C6D, 3P33, Bronner, Emmett, Taylor, Rainey, Nickel, Meadows, 5G well study. Actually, I've got to add the other previous videos. Sorry, I missed one. 34D has to go next. So the actually previous video was line 22, F1, FA, 19C3M, 1B7, C8E, 13C9, C6D, 3P34D. Classical wave, light oscillations, neutrinos, 5G velocity. So all these videos between 33 and 34D are all talking about this keyword here. So February 3rd, the keywords from Newton's law, classical wave equation leads to a keyword wave velocity from the never mind, I did do it. I thought I had a boo-boo, but I didn't. Okay, so yeah, I'm really organized today, aren't I? Quote from Wiki: wave velocity is a wave property which may refer to phase velocity, the velocity at which a wave phase propagates at a certain frequency. The pulse wave velocity, the velocity at which a pulse travels through a medium, usually applies to arteries as a measure of arterial stiffness. Group velocity, the propagation velocity for the envelope of wave groups and often of wave energy, different from the phase velocity for dispersive waves. Signal velocity or information velocity, which is the velocity at which a wave carries information. Front velocity, the velocity at which the first rise of a pulse above zero moves forward. February 4th, 2013. Formula from the wave velocity data. Wave velocity, wave property, phase velocity, wave phase. Frequency, pulse, wave velocity, velocity, pulse, travels, arteries, lines of fuel. Measure, arterial stiffness, fiber optic wires, ceramic coating of tubes used for fuel lines. Group velocity, propagation velocity, envelope of wave groups, was in previous WOW data, cross-reference to see if they mean anything. And wave energy, different phase velocities, dispersive waves, signal velocity, information velocity, long distance, deep space, communication device, alien technology. WOW data line 22 cross-reference, vapor velocity, wave carries information, communications, brain, UFO engine, communication, deep space. Front velocity, communication signal helps UFO ship go forward faster, question mark. Velocity, first rise pulse, first laser pulse signal will create a warp speed velocity for the ship as it travels through dark matter above zero, moves forward. My thoughts. The formula above talks about a laser pulse that communicates from the UFO engine to the long distance communication device will create a warp speed at the beginning of velocity from zero speed to 5G forces or higher. Cool. The keyword wave velocity to longitudinal wave and two more formulas from all the data continues in the next video. Thanks for watching.